the question is, have you worked with any other builders in this same capacity as we are talking about, that is PBC, performance based consulting. Now please understand that I have recently launched this performance based consulting program, so I am not having many examples for this, but I have worked with various other builders in all the capacities that I am going to offer in PBC. What do I mean by that? So the very first thing is that we are going to be part of your marketing department. Me and my team, we are going to be part of your marketing department. So the various campaigns, the innovative campaigns, the underground campaigns that we talked about, all those campaigns I have run for various builder clients, and we are having good proof also. As you can see, it's a very huge book. This will be showing you during our meeting, so that you will come to know, and there are many well-known builders and their projects are included in this. This I cannot show you here because of confidentiality reasons, but this I will be showing you during our meeting. So the answer to your question is, have I worked with other builders? Definitely yes. Since 2007 I have been working with very well-known builders and developers. I help them in exhibition marketing, I help them in improving their sales conversion, I help them in improving their marketing, I help them in improving their online marketing also. So I have worked with various builders in these capacities. The only thing is, they were and they are paying me fixed amount of fees against whatever service they are getting from me. So for example, if they are getting some marketing campaign run by me, or they want to run some marketing campaign and need my help, I charge certain amount to them and then they do it on their own. If they want full page newspaper ad, then I design that ad, I write that ad and then give it to them, then they go ahead with that. If we want to run any direct mail campaign, then I write the campaign, I create the target market list and everything, and they do the what we can say hardware part of that. Conversion improvement. I have designed various conversion improvement tools that I have given, of course with proper training, to various builders and their sales teams, and they have improved their conversion a lot. Sales training. Since 2007 I have been conducting sales training program. In fact, I am having 13 different sales training programs specifically for real estate sales executives. So yes, I have worked with various builders. Yes, I have helped them only under different offerings. They were paying me huge amount in fixed fees. The reason I shifted to this particular model is, now am I working with any other builder in this certain capacity? The answer is yes. I am already having clients, builders who are having around 200 plus units in their entire inventory of real estate. That include flats, that include shops, that include offices, and that way. So yes, I am working with builders individually or for separately. I have worked, I have provided various services in separate manner. I hope I have answered your question. In addition to that, I am offering full guarantee of my services. If you are not happy with any of my services or all of my services, then I am offering 100% money back guarantee also, and this I am telling you on camera, on record, so that you will be confident with whatever services you are going to get from me. So I hope I have answered your question. If you have any further doubts with regard to whom I have worked with, please feel free to get in touch, or during our meeting I would love to share some of my clients with whom I have worked with you. Of course, I maintain confidentiality of my clients, so I won't be sharing any numbers with you, how many flats they sold or what were the results of each campaign. But you can see that there are so many campaigns, there are so many marketing activities that we have done for them, that you will be confident enough to go ahead. Still, if you are having any doubt, please feel free to get in touch with me. Thank you very much. See you soon. Happy selling.